Hello everyone, welcome to CS50, an introduction to Python. My name is Mehdi Abbas Nathani, and today I am excited to present to you my project that involves retrieving weather data from the OpenWeather API. To showcase this project, I have built a Flask web application that provides real-time weather information. Let's dive in and take a look. First, let's start by running the application. I have already installed all the necessary dependencies, so we can simply execute the script. Now that the application is running, let's open a web browser and navigate to the application's URL. As you can see, the home page of our application is displayed. It features a simple and clean design with a search bar where we can enter the name of a city to retrieve its weather information. Let's try it out by entering the name of a city. For example, let's search for a Karachi. And great! Now the application fetches the weather data for Karachi and displays it on the screen. We can see details such as the current temperature, humidity, wind speed, and a brief description of the weather conditions. But wait, there is more. Our application also provides a 5 days forecast for the chosen city. By scrolling down, we can see the forecasted weather conditions for each day, including the temperatures, highs and lows. Isn't it amazing? With just a few clicks, we can easily retrieve accurate weather information for any city in the world. This application is a valuable tool for planning outdoor activities, traveling, or simply staying updated on the weather conditions. But how does it work behind the scenes? Well, let me explain. The application utilizes the OpenWeather API, which provides a vast amount of weather data. We send an HTTP request to the API, passing the city name as a parameter, and in return we receive a JSON response containing the weather details. Our application then processes the JSON response, extracts the relevant information, and presents it in a user-friendly manner on the web page. This project demonstrates the power of Python and Flask in building web applications that interact with external APIs to retrieve and process data. It showcases how Python can be used to solve real-world problems and provide valuable services to users. I hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of my weather application. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your time. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.